How to make money with copywriting in 2023. Copywriting is the art of developing enticing and convincing content that advertises a good, service, or concept. With copywriting, you can earn money in a variety of ways. Working as a freelance copywriter to produce content for clients' websites, social media updates, email marketing campaigns, and other projects is one option. Working for marketing companies and advertising agencies to write copy for customer advertising campaigns is another option. A specialized type of copywriting known as direct response copywriting aims to persuade readers to act right away, like making a purchase. The goal of direct response copywriting, a specialized form of copywriting, is to convince readers to take immediate action, like making a purchase. The secret to success is having strong writing abilities, a solid grasp of marketing, and the capacity to create compelling copywriting material that appeals to the target audience. So, here are following ways to make money with copywriting. But before we begin, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for such amazing and informative videos. Freelance copywriting. Writing copy for a variety of customers as a freelance copywriter is a great way to earn money. You can work on a project-by-project basis or have ongoing customers as a freelance copywriter. You'll be free to select the customers and tasks that interest you and to decide on your own fees. Writing website content, developing landing pages, email marketing campaigns, creating social media posts, and other tasks are all examples of freelance copywriting. It takes excellent writing abilities and the ability to create persuasive, captivating content that appeals to the target audience to succeed as a freelance copywriter. Additionally, networking with prospective clients and developing a strong portfolio of work are crucial. If you put in the effort, have the proper skills, and are dedicated, freelance copywriting can be a lucrative career. Advertising copywriting. Writing compelling and persuading text for advertising campaigns is the focus of the specialized form of copywriting known as advertising copywriting. As an advertising copywriter, you'll collaborate with marketing companies or ad agencies to develop text that clearly conveys to the target market the advantages of a good or service. This can involve creating copy for billboards, newspaper ads, radio and TV commercials, and digital ads. The objective is to draw the reader in, pique their curiosity, and inspire them to move, whether that action is making a purchase, visiting a website, or dialing a number. You must be an outstanding writer with a solid grasp of marketing in order to succeed as an advertising copywriter, and possess the ability to create effective copy that appeals to the target audience. Additionally, in order to write effective copy that generates results, it's critical to remain current on market trends and consumer behavior. Advertising copywriting can be a fulfilling and financially rewarding career option with commitment, creativity, and the appropriate skills. SEO copywriting. The goal of SEO copywriting is to create material that is both interesting to readers and optimized for search engines. As an SEO copywriter, you'll collaborate with companies to produce content that will improve their placement on search engine results sites. SERPs. This can be done by creating material for websites such as blog posts, articles, and website copy that uses specific keywords and phrases to increase visibility in search results. The objective is to produce top-notch material that draws readers while also raising the website's search engine ranking. In order to succeed as an SEO copywriter, it's imperative to possess strong writing abilities, a thorough knowledge of SEO best practices, and possess the ability to create compelling and captivating copy that appeals to the target audience. Additionally, it's crucial to keep abreast of modifications to search engine algorithms and modify your copywriting approach as necessary. SEO copywriting can be a lucrative and satisfying career option if you put in the effort, have the right skills, and are dedicated to it. Grant writing. Writing a grant proposal is the process of submitting a request for money to a foundation, corporation, or governmental body. As a grant writer, it is your responsibility to create an effective proposal that clearly explains the need for financing, the project's goals, and how the money will be used to accomplish those goals. Excellent writing abilities, research skills, and the capacity to clearly convey the organization's purpose, goals, and accomplishments are all necessary for grant writing. Successful grant writers must also be able to comprehend the funding organization's aims in order to modify their proposals to meet those objectives. Maintaining current with market trends, funding possibilities, and legislative changes is crucial for grant writing success. Additionally, networking with other industry professionals and developing relationships with potential funders can help your group get funding. Grant writing can be a fulfilling career that changes the world if you put in the effort, have the proper skills, and are dedicated to it. Social media copywriting. Writing material specifically for social media sites like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, and others is known as social media copywriting. Writing persuasive and engaging social media copy that connects with the target audience and promotes engagement, sharing, and conversions is your work as a social media copywriter. Using pertinent keywords and hashtags in posts, tweets, captions, and headlines can increase visibility and engagement on social media. To create content that is both interesting and shareable, it is crucial to have a thorough grasp of the platform's culture and audience behavior. It's imperative to have strong writing abilities, a thorough knowledge of social media best practices, and a wide range of experience to be effective in social media copywriting. And the capacity to adjust to the platform's fast-paced environment. You can also produce effective and pertinent content by keeping up with industry trends and algorithm changes. Social media copywriting can be a fulfilling and exciting career option if you put effort, are creative, and have the necessary skills. Speech writing. The art of writing speeches that successfully convey a message to an audience is known as speech writing. Understanding the speech's goal, the occasion, and the audience is necessary for this. Speechwriters collaborate with their customers to produce speeches that are compelling, memorable, and engaging. Along with the substance, the speechwriter must also think about the speech's tone, style, and delivery. Additionally, the speechwriter needs to be able to express complicated concepts succinctly and clearly. Speeches for public figures such as company executives, social activists, and political leaders can be written. Speechwriting aims to produce speeches that have an impact on the audience and motivate them to take action. This can apply to remarks made at graduations, prize presentations, and other occasions. Strong writing skills, the capacity to conduct research and evaluate data, and the ability to communicate clearly are all necessary for success in speechwriting. And a thorough knowledge of both the target group and the message being conveyed. To collaborate closely with the client and give a speech that meets their needs and expectations, it's also crucial to have excellent communication skills. In conclusion, a career in copywriting can be financially rewarding and offer a variety of income possibilities. You can draw clients and charge more for your services by honing your writing abilities and gaining knowledge in a specific field, such as marketing, SEO, or social media. A few of the ways to earn money with copywriting include freelance copywriting, content marketing, advertising, social media copywriting, email marketing copywriting, and sales copywriting. To remain competitive in the market, it's critical to keep up with best practices and industry trends, network with other professionals, and constantly develop your abilities. With commitment and effort, you can become a great copywriter and experience the independence and flexibility that come with working for yourself. So, if you're interested in learning more amazing facts, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get notified by our new videos. Please like and share the video. Don't forget to comment down your views on this. Thanks for watching until the end.